Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Come cake tasting with me and food tasting, finding a DJ. It's like basically a little event that our wedding venue is hosting, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. This is how I did my hair, just a cute little ballerina bun with this headband. This is not the dress I'm wearing, so you'll see the dress later on when I'm in the car. But I'll see you in the next clip when we're in the car, and then at the venue I'll obviously show you the setup and everything that our venue offers. But I won't show you the venue because I want that obviously to be a surprise when we get married. Okay guys, so today's the next day. I forgot to close the video last night. I was tired, but it was a cute little thing that you guys seen, all the stuff you seen. It was not at my wedding venue. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be, so I just ended up showing you guys everything and how it looked. But I did get little things, like kind of like a little gifting suite. Like I got this little thing, and it's like for your eyes, your under your eyes. So it's kind of like a little gifting suite plus trying food for brides. A little match thing, very cute. And I got this for your lips. So that part was pretty cool. And we'll try that in another video. Also too guys, I know I promised that the next video would be my sponsorship video, but my package got delayed. So I hope you enjoyed this little insight of like food tasting and wedding planning stuff. Until then, I'll see you in the next video, which hopefully will be our sponsored video. But comment down below, what is your favorite thing about weddings? What was your favorite part about your wedding when you wedding planned? Was it the food tasting? Was it looking at different venues? What was it? And I'm so happy you're here, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.